Hi guys, welcome to Learn with HNG. My name is Akini Bosun Shegun and I'll be taking you on Introduction to Figma. Figma is a graphic tool used for making graphics. That's the most basic way I can define Figma. Figma can be used to create anything graphical. A lot of designers have done works that have made us understand that Figma's use is limitless. So let me start by explaining most of the tools that you have on Figma. First of all, we have the frame tool. That's this. Once you click on the frame tool, it gives you a pop-up over here. Click on the frame tool, it gives you a pop-up over here to pick the kind of frame you want. If you want the iPhone X, you click on it and it pops up. Or you can also create a frame by just clicking on the frame tool and then dragging to your specific size and it will create it for you. Next, we have the rectangle tool. Over here, as you can see, there's a drop down tool here. Once you click on this, you have different options: rectangle, line, arrows, ellipse, polygon, star, and place image. You can also use the shortcuts. For example, if I click R over here, it automatically selects rectangle for me. If I click O, it automatically goes to ellipse. So I just need to drag and specify my size. Next, we have the pen tool. As you can see also, there's a drop down tool here to specify pen or pencil. You click the pen, you can draw, and you have your shape. Then, when your shape is done, you can click on this to give it a feel, and that is that. Next, you have the text. Every design needs text. Basically, with the text as it is, you've clicked text, just draw and specify a length that you want your text to cover, and then you type, "Hi, my name is Smooth." This is for you. Let's go back to this side. Now I have created this text. As you can see over here, we have, this means to align your text or whatever objects you've selected on the screen to the left hand side, align horizontally center, align right, align top, align vertically center, and align bottom. Figma is very easy and straightforward. If I click align bottom, immediately it goes to the bottom. If I click align left, it goes to the left. If I click align center, it goes to the center. If I click here, centers it horizontally. You can, okay, let's move on. I can change the text I want over here. Let's change it to Montserrat. This is my personal favorite. Then the size, the style, medium, semi-medium, bold, the size, that. All right, let me just do a quick login so that you understand a little bit more about Figma. So let's say I want to create a login. First, I need the text to tell me login. So, all right. Then what this does, this over here, it auto width. It means whatever width the text is in the little frame that is there, the frame will adjust to size the text. So I click on this and immediately let's increase the size. Let's give it 24. Okay. Then let's center this. Center. Adjust to taste. Then now we want to create a form for people to fill. You click the R to bring out the rectangle tool. Then draw your rectangle to specific size. Boom. Let's center it again. It's centered. Then this rectangle, I can decide to leave my rectangle as it is, rectangle straight up, or also decide to give it a border radius, or a corner radius rather. If I do that, increase this to 4, as you can see, the radius at the corners are increasing. So let's reduce that to give it a corner radius of 4. Now, I want 3 of this, saying name, email, and password. But I don't want to have to be drawing rectangles over and over again. I can just click on the rectangle I've already created. Press Ctrl D and it duplicates it. Then I can drag the one I want to the position I want. And another beauty about Figma, as you can see, as I am moving this away, it shows me a uniform number of length, showing that it is 32 of length from login to the first rectangle and 32 from the second rectangle to the first rectangle. So let's leave it here. Then I press Ctrl D again, and automatically Figma uses that length arrangement to create a rectangle at the specified length. Press Ctrl D again, it does Ctrl D, Ctrl D, Ctrl D. So that's that. Let's go back. Okay, so this is this. Now, I don't want this to have a fill. I just want it to have stroke. What I mean by stroke, once I add a stroke, as you can see, it gives it a border width. As you can see, if I increase the stroke, it keeps increasing. So let's just give it a stroke of 1. Then I remove the fill. Yeah, and this is what we have. Let's change the color of the rectangles. Let's change it to this. Nice. Then I can take my text tool again and type here, enter name. Let's change the style of this to regular or light. Light is fine. Then reduce this to, let's 12. And remember what I said about aligning it. I mean about auto width. Click auto width and then it gives you. Let's zoom in. Now, as you can see, as I move this around, there are lines to guide me, to show me where is good and where is not, or depending on how you want to do it anyway. So this is centered in the rectangle. This is nice. Then remember how to duplicate. Ctrl D, it duplicates it. Then let's drag to the right side. Ctrl D, again, duplicates it. Let's edit this to enter email. Then this to password. Bam. And we have this. Very easy. Very, very easy. Then now we want something to say like sign up. We want to create a button the same way. Just do a rectangle. Make it to the specified size. To a specific size rather. Give it a border radius if you like. Now I want this to be color. Let's go with blue. Blue, nice, perfect. Then I want a text over it to say login. So use my text tool. Text log in. Let's increase this size to 16. Nice. And give this bold. Nice. Then we can change the color over here to Let's go with white. Beautiful. Then to, oh sorry, adjust to the center of the screen. Mhm. Just like that, you've created a login page. Just like that. So Figma is very easy to use. You just have to practice and be consistent with your practice. All the tools are very easy. The only thing limiting you is your creativity. Thanks for watching.
Kindly subscribe to this channel and like this video.